channel today, our topic of discussion is the role of hormones in the human body. Can you describe a situation where you or someone you know experienced an adrenaline rush? Adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, is actually a hormone that causes the adrenaline rush. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe the roles of the following hormones in the human body. What is a hormone? Hormones are chemical molecules that are released into the bloodstream by glands, which affects the activity of cells and tissues in our body. We'll focus on the following hormones. Adrenaline, produced by the adrenal gland. Thyroxine, produced by the thyroid gland, not testosterone, produced by the male sex gland. Testosterone Estrogen, produced by the female sex gland. Estrogen hormone. Adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, is a hormone released by the adrenal gland into the bloodstream. This targets vital organs and allows the body to respond quickly in critical situations. Adrenal glands are located in the epigastrium at the top of the kidney. High adrenaline can cause increased heart rate, sweating, anxiety, heightened alertness as part of the body's fight or flight response. Low adrenaline can cause fatigue, low blood pressure, weakness, difficulty in responding to stressful situations due to insufficient activation of the fight or flight response. Thyroxine is a hormone produced by the thyroid gland. It controls the metabolic rate of the body, which is the rate at which the body converts food and oxygen into energy. Thyroid gland is located in the front part of the neck and is wrapped around our windpipe, trachea. High thyroxine can cause rapid heartbeat, weight loss, nervousness, heat intolerance due to an elevated metabolic rate. Low thyroxine can cause fatigue, weight gain, cold intolerance, dry skin, hair loss due to a slowed metabolic rate decreased, energy production. Next is testosterone, is a hormone produced by the male sex gland called the testis. It controls the developmental changes in males, such as deeper voice, facial and pubic hair, and growth in muscle and bone strength. Location is testes. Testis, singular R, found inside the scrotum. High testosterone can cause acne, increased muscle mass, low sperm count. Prostate enlargement can cause difficulty when urinating. Low testosterone can cause less body and facial hair, less muscle mass, hot flashes, brittle bones. Next is estrogen, is a hormone produced by the female sex gland called the ovary. It controls the developmental changes in females, such as breast development and the release of egg cells, which marks the beginning of menstruation. Effects of high and low estrogen levels in the body. High estrogen can cause heavy or irregular menstruation, breast tenderness, weight gain, while low estrogen can cause missed menstruation cycle, mood swings, hot flashes, and night sweats. Here is the quick summary of our today's lecture. Adrenaline helps you respond to stress quickly, like when you're rushing or facing a challenge. Lecture. Adrenaline helps you respond to stress quickly, like when you're rushing or facing a challenge. Thyroxine regulates your energy levels so you can keep going throughout the day. Testosterone helps with muscle growth and strength. Estrogen regulates your development and reproductive system. We hope you enjoyed our lecture. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And make sure to hit the bell icon.